much. But can you tell me more about tomato?
Absolutely. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin K, and they also have lycopene, which is an antioxidant that's great for your heart and
Mhm.
may help reduce the risk of certain cancers. Plus, they're low in calories and super versatile.
Should I have it fresh or boil it until it very what to say? It very hot at 400 Celsius.
It really got it. It really depends on your preference. If you like your tomatoes a bit warm and more concentrated in flavor, roasting them at around 400 degrees Celsius can be delicious. If you prefer them fresh and juicy, then just enjoying them as they are is perfect.
It's true. I have heard that the for tomato, if we eat fresh, between eating fresh and boil it with a high temperature like 400 the Celsius plus, it will be more. It's better than eating fresh. Is it true?
Yes, that's true. Cooking tomatoes at a high temperature can actually increase the availability of lycopene, which is an antioxidant we talked about. So roasting or cooking them can make those nutrients more accessible to your body. It's a nice little boost.
Hmm? What is little boost? What you said?
Oh, I just meant a small boost in the nutritional value. Basically, cooking tomatoes just makes it easier for your body to absorb some of the good stuff they have.
Hmm. It's I feel good when I eating and talking with you. I'm so happy. Thank you very much for your what to say. You are accompanying with me during my breakfast. Would you like to join with me?
I'm so glad to hear that. I'd love to keep you company while you enjoy your breakfast. It's always a pleasure to chat with you, so feel free to share anything on your mind.
Are you hungry?
I don't actually get hungry, but I do love hearing about delicious food, so I'm definitely here to enjoy the conversation with you.
What about the apple? Apple slice, fresh apple slice.
Apple slices are a great addition. They provide fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, and they add a nice crunch and sweetness to your meal. It sounds like you've got a really tasty and balanced breakfast going on.
What kind of vitamins from apple?
Apples are a great source of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system, and they also have some vitamin A, which is good for your skin and eyes. Plus, they have a good amount of fiber, which is great for digestion.
Mm. And if I start my day with breakfast, that's only yogurt and mixed fruit salad. And what about lunch? What should I have? That's good for my health. I can have a good health. You know.
For lunch, you might want something balanced that includes some lean protein, whole grains, and plenty of veggies. That combo can definitely help keep your hair healthy too. Something like grilled chicken with a quinoa salad or piece of fish with some steamed vegetables would be great.
What is different? What do you suggest for morning and morning breakfast and lunch and dinner? Three kind of uh, meal for the morning, lunch, and dinner.
Sure, for breakfast, something like yogurt with mixed fruit and a sprinkle of nuts is perfect. For lunch, a grilled chicken or fish salad with lots of colorful veggies and a whole grain like quinoa would be great. And for dinner, something light but satisfying like a stir fry with tofu or shrimp and a variety of veggies served with brown rice. Be fantastic. That way you get a nice balance throughout the day.
Okay, let's come to talk about what to say. It's a long,
Absolutely.
romantic